Walking backwards can be a little more challenging. 10% of force coming from walking backwards. So be sure you make sure your environment is safe and there's no obstruction, and so on to walk backwards. And to walk backwards, remember the Tian breathing method and the mindfulness. If you haven't, do the Tian breathing method again. So let's just start with the simple walking backwards. Shift your weight to one leg, and then you go back in a sort of a gentle curve, and make sure that when you go back, well within your comfort zone. You don't have to go back that much. And then you shift your weight back and make sure your toe is now about 45 degrees to 30 degrees in front, so you're in a better position to go back. The next, you can always have a rest here and then go back. And once you go back the second time, as you shift weights, being mindful of shifting weight, lift the heel up and straighten. Again, make sure you have a space, the width of the shoulder as you walk backwards. So that is as my instruction how to walk backwards. And also further on, we talk about how to walk backwards together with your hands as well. And again, I'll give you the instruction to make it more internal. Remember what we did with the walking forward. Being mindful of your movements, being mindful of your balance, shifting your weight, straightening your legs. So being mindful allows you to be, at the moment, allow you to be safer. And the breathing here just add more to the way you move your chi and increase your energy. So when you step back, that should be an in-breath, but you don't have to worry about that. But when you're going back, when you go back, you can see putting weight there. So that is a out-breath. Putting weight is like putting energy in there. So as you go back, straighten the left heel, that's an out-breath. Contract your pelvic floor muscles and feel the sinking feeling, sinking your chi. And likewise, the same with here, touch down, you don't have to worry too much about in-breath, just let your body, let go, your body will naturally take an in-breath. And then as you shift back and straighten, that is where you sink your chi, contract your pelvic floor muscle, and breathing out. And remember, you do better when you are zoned. Allow the joints to be open and gently allow your chi to expand. So the Tai Chi principle, body upright, movement control, slow, smooth, and continuous, and coupled with the breathing, touching down, and as you shift your weight, putting more weight, straighten the other leg up, that's an out breath. And then, likewise, let go, in breath, and out breath, straighten out. And so coupled with the walking forward and backwards, this can be a really useful exercise. Build great foundation when you do Tai Chi, because that's what we do, forward, backwards, sideways. And when we do sideways, it's similar. Again, as you shift your weight here, bring the other foot closer, and as you turn and moving your hands, that's when you deliver force. That's the out breath. And likewise, step out out breath as you touch down. Your Tai Chi breathing is related to where you deliver force. When you follow step, push down, sing, deliver. Follow step, push down, sing, deliver. That's where out breath is when you deliver force. And if you're not sure whether you're delivering force or not, then just don't worry about it. You don't have to do everything right. Most importantly, be mindful of your step, your weight transference, your posture, and mostly safety first.